I'm gonna show you what you can do with this app. It's called Unfold. Very useful, nice, clean, minimalistic. And let's just tap on the plus sign to start a new project, then tap on create, and then you have your new canvas. And now tap on the bottom right here on the plus sign, and then you're gonna get like different templates, all different ones, you see. In this case I'm gonna use the second one. For some reason is one that I like a lot. So, and then once you have your template selected, you're gonna have these areas with a little plus sign. That means that you can add an image or a video, and then here you can add a title and a description. So I'm gonna add my description right now. Done. And then I'm gonna change the title. If you want to make changes, just double tap it, and then I'm gonna introduce my title. Done. And there you have it. Now the last step, the last thing to add is an image or a video. In this case I'm gonna add a video, and it's an Instagram story. It's already edited and all that stuff, and it's the size is 9 by 16, and this is it. You can now save the project. Tap on story. Now it's saving it. I'm gonna create another one so you can see the difference. And another thing that you can do with this app is if you tap on the right side on the bottom, you can actually change the color. Instead of white, you can do black, and I think those are the two colors that you can only do. And yeah, so I'm gonna use another template. I'm gonna try a circle, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Double tap, and then my title, double tap again. Done. And let's resize it. Here we have it. All right, and now I'm gonna add my video again. I'm gonna use the same video, and here you have it. As you can see, it is not centered, so if you want to fix that, just double tap and then just move it around and place it where you actually want it. I like it there, maybe a little bit more to the right. Okay, this way looks better. And again, you can change it to black or leave it white, whatever you like. I'm gonna save my story, save it, and now I'm gonna compare side by side and see how they look. Here's the first one. And here's the other one, the second one. I love them both, they look very nice. So this is the app. It's called Unfold. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.